Pastoral nomadism and commercial livestock rearing may seem similar, but they have distinct differences. First, pastoral nomadism involves moving livestock to find new grazing areas, while commercial livestock rearing occurs in a fixed location. Second, pastoral nomads primarily rely on natural forage for their livestock, while commercial livestock rearing involves feed supplements and controlled diets. Third, pastoral nomadism relies on traditional herding techniques, whereas commercial livestock rearing often employs modern technologies and management practices. Fourth, in pastoral nomadism, herd mobility is essential for sustainability, but commercial livestock rearing focuses on maximizing productivity within a confined space. Fifth, pastoral nomads often have a close relationship with their animals and rely on them for various needs, while commercial livestock rearing treats animals more as sources of profit. Sixth, pastoral nomads have a deep understanding of the land, weather, and animal behavior, but commercial livestock rearing relies on scientific knowledge and research. Seventh, pastoral nomadism is often part of a larger cultural and social system, while commercial livestock rearing is a more specialized and economically driven activity. Despite these differences, both pastoral nomadism and commercial livestock rearing play significant roles in supplying animal products for human consumption.